We're going to cook here. So I've got the Timbo Tusk Skottle here, got it fired up. We're gonna throw some onions and bacon on it, kind of get started in cooking these hamburgers here. I'm starting the bacon for our burgers here. Just throw it right on, like breakfast in the morning, man.
There you go. The bacon grease is making everything good. Yeah, this Skottle does a very good job. It allows you to separate things, cook things at your own rate.
Yeah, you can't cook a whole lot really fast.
Yeah.
That's what all of this is. It's bringing people together.
And if it wasn't lunchtime in the middle of the day, I'd have a beer in my hand. And this Timbo Tusk Skottle package comes in a very small bag, about this large, and it can travel anywhere you need to go.
I'm kind of terrified. I didn't even bother to season these things. I got so infatuated looking at the shoes and what I'm not paying attention. Just a little bit. I know I only got 4 cooked right now, but who wants cheese? And does somebody want their bacon cooked a little?
Pretty sweet blade.
You know what I mean?
Here, I'll grab.
Give those a quick
I'll grab
run. All right, that one's cooked a little bit more than everybody else's. Who wants the most well done one? This one is.
Ryan, you want this one?
This one's the most well done.
This one's the most well done.
This one is the most well done. Well, I got 2 of them already sitting here. Okay. Ooh.
Come on, Chuck. Another really good thing to cook on the Skottle is breakfast. Eggs cook very well.
Guys, we can't thank Timbo Tusk. Everything that you make it possible to enjoy ourselves in the outdoors, and you make creating memories a whole lot easier, especially when it is around good food. And I want to thank all y'all. I appreciate y'all watching this and enjoying our short video. Thanks all from Kruger Bush Campers. Thank you. Bye-bye.